Greeting, this is Mark. We're going to be looking at how we can actually go through Google Meet. So we're going to click right here on the email and we're going to sign in. Use some of the basic function in Google Meet. Alright, so I'm going to type in my email and the password right here, and then I'm going to go directly. I'm going to see some of the basic function in Google Meet. You can actually use Google Meet to teach. You can use Google Meet to do like seminars and all of that. You can also screen share with different type of slides and all of that. Right, so I just sign in. What we wanted to do is come right here to the 9 dot, and there we go right here. This is Service Meet. We're going to click on the Meet. So when you click on the Meet, now we're going to take it to the home page. Right, so this is the home page. Right here it says new meeting. You can enter the code right here. Here show that you can actually get a link. Right, and if you notice right out it says settings. When you click on the settings right here, you notice it's the audio right here. It's a video speaker right here. If you notice each time I talk, it seems to make a sound right here. And click right here. Right, very important. And if I click here on new meeting, it's right here. I can create a meeting for later. You can start an instant meeting. I can actually schedule a meeting here in the Google Calendar. But what we want to do, focus on right now is instant. We're going to click on the instant. If you notice right here, show that it actually loaded and all of that. So very important here. When you look at it, it's still trying to get right. So it's actually showing that it actually processed. So you actually see this type of screen right here. And if you notice, it will show you right here that you can actually click to stop, right? And if you notice here, you can click to add person. So if you notice when you click over here, notice you can enter person right here from that text section. You can click right here to get rid of it. And if you come right here, you can actually copy the link. You can come right here and close it. But if you notice, this is the audio. If you click the audio here, you can actually stop it. If you come right here, you can actually click the video, open the video from right here. Very important. You can actually open the video from right here. You notice right here also is a caption. Here show that you can actually screen share. So this is it. When it's sure, you can show up a video when you click right here. This is what it bring up here. And if I click right here, you can actually come right here. You notice it actually show the email right here. I can come right here and say stop, and then I can get back in it by clicking right here. And if I click on it again, notice I can see the window. And if I click on the window, notice it can show anyone the window I want, and then I can click share. So if you say this window whatever, notice I can click on click share. So it's the same, and if I go back again, notice I can share the whole entire screen. Right, if I want to clear entire screen, I can click right here and say share. Right, so the thing that I have to do, just minimize this right. If you notice one entire screen, I can come right here and say stop, then come right here and pick back up, just like that. So while you do that now, this is safe now when I click on it here. But if you notice, this is safe for the video. You can actually shut off the video if you want to carry on about the video. Definitely if you want it and all that. But if you come right here, you notice definitely what you can do. You can actually use the whiteboard here. So if you click on the whiteboard, this is what come up. You can actually start with the whiteboard. So if you click here and start on the whiteboard, what definitely will happen? Definitely, if you notice, when it says start with whiteboard, right? So when I click on the whiteboard, right here, just waiting on that to come. If you notice right here, show that it's actually created, right? And there you go. Right? It's actually giving a nice section over here. We can actually write down, right? If you notice over here, show some more Jamboard, and right here, so that I can actually go to a different frame. And if you notice right up here, when I click here, you can actually show back to the share screen, right? And here, show that I can actually insert photo in this particular here, right? And if you notice this here, with this tree come down here, over here, this is a pen, right? And this I can actually use as rubber. This is the cursor, and if you notice right over here, so that you can put a sticky note, you can put a photo, so you can text box. So if I definitely go over here and I click, right, I can actually come like this. Notice I can write something right here, and if I come here and click on a rubber, I can actually rub out these here, you know, yes, rub it out, right. Then I can click right here, so for the most part, if I click right here, this I have to do is sticky note. Notice you can actually change the color right here. Click, change the color. I'm gonna write something right here. I'm gonna say, well, welcome to Jamboard. Right here. And notice, let me give that here, and then you can come right here and say save. Right, and the save, you can actually click off that. If you notice right up here, and if you click on it, you can actually move it and you can canvas. If you click on the tree, look at that right here, show that you can edit it, show that you can duplicate it, and right here you can also delete it. So when you come here and click back on it now, here you can actually use it to rotate it just like that, and you want to bring it down with on this side, get it up just like that. Right, very important, you can actually do that. If you notice right, you can come right here, so insert a photo. Right, so this is our section, so it shows you so we can upload and the camera and all of that, and show that you can actually browse right here. Right, so very important. So you can come right here, so, and close it. So if you come back here, notice you can change layout. When you click on change the layout, if you notice that this is an auto, right, you can put on that one, right, you can put one spotlight, right, and put one auto. Anyone who want to put it on, when you finish, you can come right here and click and close it. You can come back right here, notice it's a full screen. If you click on that, you notice it actually take me to the full screen. Right, go back again. If you notice, right here show that you can change background. Right, if you notice, it does give me a chance to change my background here. Right, so let me go again now, and you click on the caption right here. You notice the caption on, and if I click here on English and I click apply right here, right, and then you should see exactly what you notice. Each time I talk, you notice it's actually typing right here. Yes, and that's exactly work. Another way to stop it, to go right back here. You click on caption, and then click turn off, and then apply, and there you go. With that caption, that's why you use the caption. Right, and sure it is you can report problem. And right here, report any abuse or whatever. When you click on settings, this is what come up. Sure that the host control and setting default speak and all that, you can come right here and click. But if you notice this right here, if you click right here, it actually shows that you can leave the meeting. But if you come right away, it's a meeting details. If you click on the meeting detail, this is what it actually does. Show that I can actually copy the link from right here. So show that to previous Jamboard I create before, and I can come right here and click. Now this is participant. When I click on this participant right here, show you that mute over here, right? And if you click on this mute here, show that I can unmute, show that I'm on the first. If I click right on this, it's show that I actually can pin. Can also unpin. Sure, if I click on this, it's show that I can actually add person right here, and if I click on that, you notice right here it says send email. I can click right here, host control, right? I want to close this, so come right here. So this is the chat. So when I click on the chat, you notice right up here, you have several things in the chat. You can come right there. You can say greeting, just like that. You can come right here and click. There you go. And also when the meeting, they will see. Right? If you want to lock off here for everyone, you can do that. I come right here, turn time back, and this is the exit. I can actually stop it, just like that. So if you notice it, I can really talk about activity. If you notice right here, so you can actually use the whiteboard right here. So by collaborated activities, so if you click, you notice you can actually start here. You can actually go to drive from right here. You can actually click here to close it. But if you notice right here, host control, right? You notice if you click it, notice what you can go for. So host manage, click right here, so let's you restrict what participant can do in the meeting. So when you have this uncheck or check, determine what you want them to do. If you notice right here, share their screen. Right, for this check, then actually can share the screen. You can actually send a chat. So if you uncheck these, you cannot do that. And right here to view all host settings. When you click right here to view all host settings, you notice to show you the audio for the video and show the general over here. View so that all of these are checked. Right, you can come right here and close it, and here it show that I can actually report reviews and all that. You can come right up here and close it. So very important. And look at this particular area. Right, so I'm going to close the meeting. So if I click right here on the red button, you notice right here to show that this video call for everyone. So if I click right here, say leave the call or end the call. So if I click right here, end the call, notice take me right back around this home page here. Say return. So I'm going to click right here and return. When I click on return, it takes me right back around the home page. So hope you have learned something from this video here. So share it with your friend. Very important. Alright.